Hi, in this video we will take a look at how you can replace the sharp carousel microwave waveguide cover paper on this microwave here. So you can see this cover, the waveguide is not that bad, it's still working fine. Now this waveguide paper is for the sharp carousel. This is the oven right here. This is the microwave. Now you can purchase this waveguide paper online for a few dollars, and they're very cheap. So they come in a pack of 3, 5 or more depending on your selections. They only cost a few dollars online, and once you purchase them, so let's say this is a waveguide paper, all you have to do is just trace them over. Just put it on a table and then trace it over, and then you just need to cut it, and that's it. They're fairly straightforward. Now because every microwave is a different model, so they have different shapes and size, so you need to use the old one that you have. It's best if you still got one that, even if it's burned, try to keep it, do not throw it away, so that later you can use it, and then we can use it as a copy, and then we just cut it around it. And that's it. So just draw the shape, and then you need to cut it around the piece of paper, and finally once you got it, you can just pop it back into the microwave. So this is for the sharp carousel microwave. Now just in case you don't have the original paper anymore, here is the measurement for the sharp microwave. So that's around just over 12 centimeters, nearly 12 and a half. So from the top here to this way. So that's the measurement right there, just in case you need to draw it out if you haven't got a copy. So again, this one here is close to 12 centimeter. It's nearly close, and so I've just put a ruler right here so you can actually see it. Just in case you need to make a copy, you need to draw it out yourself. And there it is. So that's the distance. Right there, and that's it. So now we can put it back into the microwave. Now when we put it back in the microwave, there is a short end and a long end that you can see right here. So make sure you put it in the right direction, and you can start from this side first. As you can see, we can just slide it in like that. And then over here you can see it won't pop it, so you need to kind of like bend it a little bit. So I just put one finger underneath, and then I'll pop it in, and I'll bend it a little bit like so, and then I'll just let go of my thumb underneath, and then that should slot right in. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.